Hello everybody, and in this video we're going to explore exactly how to use brackets in your writing. So there are some clear rules or guidelines when it comes to using brackets which we must make sure we're adhering to. So we need to, they're used to separate additional information in a sentence which isn't essential. So it's basically extra information. And the key here is that if you remove the brackets with the information inside, the sentence would still make sense. So here's an example. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is a difficult mountain to scale. So notice that if we go back to the example, if I take out in the Himalayas, the sentence reads, Mount Everest is a difficult mountain to scale. It still makes sense. What's also key to remember here is notice that inside the brackets, unlike speech marks, unless it's a proper noun, I use a lowercase letter. So the word in is in lowercase lettering. Let's move on. Unlike speech marks, the first word, as we said already, doesn't have to be capitalized. So you want to make sure that point is re-emphasized to you so we get it right. And finally, punctuation to end the sentence should always be placed outside of speech marks. So that differs from, wait a second, that's rubbish, doesn't work.